How to fix WhatsApp not connecting to internet. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can fix WhatsApp not connecting to internet. Well, if you're using an Android mobile phone, then first you want to make sure that you have given the WhatsApp the access for your internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or data. Now, once you have checked that, now you want to go through the basic checks and fixes. First is check your internet connection. Open another app or visit a website to confirm your internet is working. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data in order to see if it helps. Then you want to turn your phone off and wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Also make sure, if that doesn't help, to update the WhatsApp application itself by heading into your Play Store or App Store and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Now sometimes software updates can also cause the glitches on your device, so check if the software update is available for your device, Android or iOS, and update it to the latest version. At last, if it doesn't help, it might just be a server status, so you want to use site like Down Detector to see if WhatsApp itself is experiencing a widespread outage. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.